Did you know that, babies learn to speak fluently without ever looking at a single grammar book?
Wait, what? Are you saying we should... we're not babies, Sam.
I know. But they just copy sounds. And that is exactly what we're talking about today.
Oh, right, because we are on day 7.
Exactly. Welcome back to Mr. English Builder, everybody. I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. And yeah, today is day 7 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge.
Day 7. The danger zone.
The danger zone? Wait, why does that sound so terrifying?
Because it is. No, seriously. Day 7 is when most people just quit.
Oh, wow, really? Just one weekend?
Yep, the excitement is gone. The honeymoon phase is over.
Oh, yeah, like when you buy a gym membership.
Yes, perfect example, Alex. Day 1, you're buying new shoes, you're super pumped.
Drinking those weird protein shakes.
Right, but by day 7, your muscles hurt, you're tired.
You just want to eat pizza and watch TV.
Exactly. And language learning it's literally the same thing.
Wait, really? Because I'm not lifting heavy weights with my tongue.
Well, actually, you kind of are.
Wait, what?
I mean it. Speaking a new language is a physical activity.
Okay, you're losing me. How is it physical? I'm just making sounds.
But those sounds need different muscles. Think about a sound we don't have in your native language.
Okay, like the English TH sound, the th thing?
Yes, the sound. You have to, stick your tongue out a little bit.
Right, which feels super weird at first.
So weird. It feels like you're making a funny face at someone.
It really does. I used to hate doing it.
See? So when you do shadowing, you're basically taking your mouth to the gym.
Oh, okay, I got it now. So day 7 is when your mouth muscles are just sore?
Not physically sore, but mentally. Your brain is tired of trying so hard.
Okay, but let's take a step back, just in case someone is new here.
Sure. Good idea.
What actually is shadowing? Simply.
Simply? Okay, shadowing is basically being an annoying little brother.
What? Be an annoying brother?
You know when kids repeat everything you say, exactly as you say it?
Oh my gosh, yes. Stop copying me. Stop copying me.
Exactly. That is shadowing. You listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say.
Instantly, or do I wait for them to finish the sentence first?
You don't wait, you stay right behind them, like a shadow.
Oh, like a shadow. Wow, that makes so much sense now.
Right? So if I say, I am going to the store.
I am going to the store, but at almost the exact same time.
Boom, exactly. You copy my speed, my emotion, everything.
Wait, even the emotion?
Especially the emotion.
Okay, but why? If I'm just trying to learn words, why do I need to sound happy or sad?
Because English is music, Alex. It's not just words on a page.
Music? Okay, now you sound like a poet.
I'm serious. Think about a robot. A robot just reads words flatly.
Like, hello, how are you today?
Yes, that's how a lot of students sound because they only read textbooks.
Ah, right. They focus on the grammar rules, not the melody.
Exactly. But native speakers go up and down. We stress certain words.
Like how I just said, ah, right, instead of ah, right.
Yes. So when you shadow, you aren't just learning vocabulary.
You're learning the rhythm of the language.
The rhythm, the speed, the pauses, everything.
Man, that's powerful. But okay, if it's so good, why is day 7 so hard?
Because, day 7 is the wall. It's the exact moment your brain goes, okay, this isn't fun anymore.
Wait, the wall? Like in a marathon?
Exactly. You hit a wall. The first few days, you're super motivated, right?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be fluent in a week.
Right. I'm going to speak like Brad Pitt by Friday. But then, reality hits.
Reality is brutal.
Your jaw hurts, your tongue feels like it's tied in a knot.
A knot, yes. Actually, wait, does it actually physically hurt?
Oh, literally. English uses completely different mouth muscles than your native language.
Really? I thought speaking was just speaking.
Nope. It's a physical workout. It's like going to the gym and doing squats for your mouth.
Mouth squats, I love that.
Yeah, mouth squats. And by day 7, your mouth is just exhausted.
Ah, so they quit. That makes sense.
They quit, or they skip a day. And we both know what happens when you skip one day.
1 day becomes 2 days. 2 days becomes, well, I'll try again next year.
Exactly, Alex. It's the classic New Year's resolution trap.
So, okay, how do we fix this? If I'm listening right now and I'm on day 7, I'm tired.
You're exhausted, you sound terrible, you think you sound stupid.
Geez, Sam, way to encourage people.
No, I'm just being real. That's the pain point.
Right.
Here is the secret insight. You have to lower the bar.
Lower the bar? Wait, shouldn't I push harder? No pain, no gain?
No, that's the worst advice for language learning. If you push too hard, you break the habit.
Okay, so lower it how? Like shadow for less time?
Yes. If you were doing 10 minutes a day, just do 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Is that even enough to learn anything?
It's not about the English in that moment, Alex. It's about the habit.
Oh, now I get it. It's just showing up.
Exactly. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't skip brushing your teeth because you're tired, right?
I mean, mostly. Unless it's a really late night.
Fair enough. But you know what I mean. The goal is consistency over intensity.
Okay, so let's give them a real example. How do I do a 2-minute session without feeling lazy?
Good question. Take a short YouTube video, maybe even one of ours on Mr. English Builder.
Shameless plug, I like it.
Always. But seriously, take a 30-second clip. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat. Do that 3 times and stop.
Just 3 times?
Just 3 times. That's your Day 7 survival guide.
Wow, that feels almost too easy, like I'm cheating.
It feels like cheating, but tomorrow is day 8. And because you didn't quit on day 7, you're still in the game.
That is incredibly smart. You're tricking your brain into not giving up.
Exactly. You're saying to your brain, hey, it's just 2 minutes. Don't be a baby.
Don't be a baby brain. I love that.
And remember the robot thing we talked about earlier?
Yeah, the flat voice thing.
Right. Even in those 2 minutes, focus on the emotion. Don't just read the words. Feel them.
Got it. So if the speaker sounds angry, I sound angry.
Yes. Get mad in your room. Scare your dog.
My neighbors are going to think I'm crazy.
Good. Let them think you're crazy. Crazy people get fluent faster.
Okay, so, all right, let's do a quick practice right now, a mental exercise for the listeners.
Oh, I like this. Let's do it.
Say a sentence, Sam, and I'll shadow it. Badly at first, then well.
All right. I can't believe we made it to day 7.
Okay, the bad version.
I can't believe we made it to day 7.
Oh, ouch. My ears. That was so robotic.
Right? Okay, now the good version. Let me hear you say it with feeling.
I can't believe we made it to day 7.
I can't believe we made it to day 7. How was that?
Spot on. Literally perfect, Alex. You hit that like emphasis perfectly.
Right? It feels physically different in my mouth when I do it that way.
Exactly. Because you aren't just reading words anymore. You're making music. English is super musical.
Wait, music? I mean, I can't sing to save my life, Sam.
No, not singing. I mean rhythm. Like stressed and unstressed beats.
Oh, okay, like a drum beat. Boom, ba, boom.
Yeah. Think of native speakers like jazz musicians. We glide over the boring words and hit the important ones hard.
Okay, so the boring words, you mean like to or it?
Exactly. In our sentence, made it to sounds like made it to. It all just melts together.
Made it to. Whoa, it does sound like one big weird word.
Right. It's called connected speech. If you try to chop it up.
Like a grumpy waiter chopping carrots.
Yes, great callback. If you chop it up like that grumpy waiter, you sound robotic.
So it should be more like, I don't know, pouring syrup?
Pouring syrup. That is a fantastic analogy, Alex. Sticky and smooth.
Wow, I'm just full of brilliant analogies today.
Don't let it go to your head. But seriously, that's what shadowing does. It forces you to pour the syrup.
Okay, wait, let me try another one. Give me a slightly longer sentence.
All right. If I had known it was going to rain, I would have brought an umbrella.
Oh, geez, that's a mouthful. Okay, let me think.
Don't think. Just copy my music. If I'd known it was going to rain,
If I'd known it was going to rain,
I would have brought an umbrella.
wait,
Woulda? You didn't say would have.
Ah, good catch. Because in real life, we are lazy. We just say woulda.
Woulda brought an umbrella. Okay, let me do the whole thing.
Go for it.
If I'd known it was gonna rain, I woulda brought an umbrella.
Dude, that was so natural.
I sounded like a real American complaining about the weather.
You really did. And that's the magic of day 7, folks. You stop reading and start mimicking.
Honestly, the woulda and gonna makes it so much easier to say fast.
Right? It's literally a shortcut for your tongue.
Okay, so what should the listeners do today? What's the engagement challenge for day 7?
Good question. Here is the challenge for you guys listening right now.
Drumroll, please.
I want you to find a 1-minute clip of your favorite English speaker, an actor, a YouTuber, anyone.
Can it be us?
Sure, it can literally be this very podcast.
Perfect. So they find a 1-minute clip, then what?
Listen to it 3 times. Just listen. Then try to speak exactly over them.
Like a karaoke duet.
Exactly like karaoke. Match their speed, their emotion, their pauses.
And do they need to understand every single word?
No, not at all. That's the beauty of it. Just match the music.
Just pour the syrup, guys. Don't chop the carrots.
Exactly. Pour the syrup.
I want everybody to go to the comments right now and type, "I'm pouring the syrup."
Yes, please do that. I want to see 100 comments saying that.
It'll confuse the heck out of anyone who didn't watch the whole video.
Which is the best part. It's our little inside joke now.
So true. Man, 7 days down, only 23 more to go in this 30-day challenge.
You guys are crushing it. If you've made it this far, you are already ahead of 90% of learners.
Absolutely. So if you want to keep crushing it, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Yep, subscribe to Mr. English Builder so you don't miss day 8.
We're going to get into some really crazy pronunciation hacks tomorrow, right, Sam?
Oh, you have no idea. Tomorrow we tackle the dreaded TH sound.
Oh no, the tongue twister day.
Get your tongues ready, people. Keep shadowing, keep sounding crazy on the subway.
And we'll see you tomorrow on Mr. English Builder. Bye, guys.